The best steak for tacos, a guide to easy and flavorful options. What's the ultimate steak for effortless yet flavor-packed tacos? The supreme cuts of steak to employ for effortless and delectable tacos. Pamela D. M. McAdams, Getty Images. I'm no taco snob who requires only the choicest ingredients to relish a scrumptious homemade rendition of this beloved Mexican delight. If my refrigerator reveals some leftover ground beef, taco night is instantly on the agenda. /www.thetakeout.com 888-7812. And, believe it or not, even spam can dazzle on a taco. https://www.thetakeout.com 888-7812. Leftover burger meat tacos. And, believe it or not, even spam can dazzle on a taco, if handled correctly. And certain cuts elevate a steak taco to new heights. We engaged in conversation with Orlando Trejo, the esteemed executive chef at Impression Mokshay by Secrets Mokshay, https://www.mokshayplayadelcarmen.com/restaurantsbars.asp in Playa del Carmen, Mexico, to discover which cuts of steak truly elevate the taco experience, and he pinpointed two that reign supreme. If we were to prepare them in the style of a trompo pastor, I'd opt for sirloin since it's lean and remarkably tender, he divulged. Trompo is the method of cooking where seasoned or marinated steaks are stacked vertically on a rotating spit and slowly roasted. He proposed, I'd also recommend grilling a ribeye, accompanied by a luscious guacamole and a pair of freshly made tortillas. A variety of steak cuts thrive in tacos. Alexander Varavev, Getty Images. Orlando Trejo provided his top picks, but he also emphasized that the preparation technique may hold more significance than the cut itself. In my opinion, any meat, when prepared with a skillful cooking method, is fantastic for tacos, he shared. Even utilizing short rib or brisket with extended cooking times yields superb results. The magic lies in the patience and low heat required to transform these tougher cuts into melt-in-your-mouth, juicy morsels. While a flawlessly grilled ribeye is an exceptional selection for tacos, it's also a premium cut that carries a hefty price tag. If you're planning a memorable taco evening on a shoestring budget, an economical substitute for ribeye is chuck eye steak. https://www.thetakeout.com/183573/ can chuck eye swap ribeye steak, often dubbed the budget-friendly ribeye. The crux is maximizing the flavor potential of whatever steak you select. Whether it involves marinating the beef in a delectable sauce or merely seasoning it with a blend of herbs and spices to make it sing, as long as you handle the steak with care during cooking, taco night is guaranteed to please the masses. And this is the part most people miss. The true artistry in crafting the perfect steak taco lies not only in the cut of beef, but in the preparation and cooking methods. It's about finding the balance between the steak's natural flavors and the complementary seasonings. So the next time you're conjuring over the ideal steak for your taco feast, remember that experimentation can lead to delightful discoveries. After all, isn't that what cooking is all about? What's your take on the best steak for tacos? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.